day, my fellow employees and subscribers. Hope all is well. Welcome to my channel. This is my first video on YouTube, and I hope I will fulfill your expectation on the topic of how to complete a W-4 form. This is part 1 of a part 3 series. Part 2 will be how to complete the worksheet, and part 3 is exempt employees. If you are completing a W-4 form, that means you have gotten a job. Congratulations. Yay! Let me start off by saying we are now in 2019, so you should be completing a 2019 form. It can be paper format or fillable forms online, just like the one that is featured on the screen. Don't worry, I will leave the link below. Question: what is a W-4 form? Human Resources usually gives quite a few paperwork to complete, and the W-4 form is one of them. Let me explain. A W-4 form is usually completed by an employee so that your employer can withhold the correct federal income tax from your paycheck. You can also change your exemptions at any time within the year if your situation changes. Example: if you were claiming 0 and you would like to add your child, just complete a new form and submit it to your Human Resources or Payroll Department. Most people are confused with what allowances to claim. An example would be, the higher the allowances, the less tax will be deducted from your paycheck. Once again, the higher the allowances, the less tax will be deducted from your paycheck. Okay, my fellow employees and subscribers, let's get started. The first thing, you should make sure that the form is year 2019, 2019, as you can see. Now I'm going to start to fill out this form online. Line 1 is usually your first name, last name, and your home address. So my name is Simone Temples. That is not my real name. This is just the name for this form. My home address is 270 Atlantic Boulevard. City is Coral Springs, and that's Florida, 33071. Sorry, take out a 33071, correct. Line 2 is the Social Security, and it's 159324789. Line 3 is your marital status: single, married, married but withhold at a higher single rate. Married and single is self-explanatory, but married but withhold at a higher single rate means that your employer will calculate your tax withholding as if you were filing as a single person. This results in higher income tax withholding each paycheck. Consider this option if you're married but plan to file taxes separately from your spouse, or if you prefer to receive a larger tax refund because you have more withheld throughout the year. Okay, for this example, it's going to be single, and I'm going to be claiming 2 and an additional $50. So the total number of allowances you're claiming from the applicable worksheet on the following pages, and my next video would be how to complete the worksheet. I'm putting 2, and line 6 is additional amount, if any, you want to withheld from each paychecks. And I'm putting $50 because I do want more taxes to be taken out of my paycheck. Line 7 is I claim exempt from withholding for 2019, and I certify that I meet both of the following conditions for exemptions. Last year I had a right to a refund of all federal income tax withheld because I had no tax liability, and this year I expect a refund of all federal tax withheld because I expect to have no tax liability. If you meet both conditions, write exempt here. I don't, so I'll continue. Here you would have to signature and date it. This is not fillable. This has to be signed manually. Line 8 is optional, but I like to complete it, which is the employer name and address. So I work for Thomas Staffing Agency, and my address is 5480 Lyons Road, and that's in Boca Raton, Florida, and it's 33356. My first day of employment is going to be April 1st, 2019. And line 10 is the employer identification number, which is optional. It's like the social security number for the employer, sorry. And the number is 17-397-0214. And this is the first example of completing the W-4 form where you would like more taxes to be taken out. That means you're going to have less net pay. The second example is going to be, I'm going to take out the additional amount. I'm going to place 9 here. So you're going to complete the name, social security number, single, 9, no additional amount, sign and date, all of this. And this is an example of less tax will be taken out and you'll get more as your net pay. And the third example that I'll have is if you're a student, mostly it's students, and you want to claim exempt, claim single, and only line boxes for the word exempt. Please do not put any allowances in line 5 or line 6. If you do, the form is invalid. Also, if the form is not signed and dated, it is invalid. So if you want to claim exempt, it's only the word exempt in line 7. And I will have another video who are eligible for exemptions on my third of the part 3 of this video of the series. So now you have completed your W-4 form. Depending on the company, it will be entered by the human resources or forward to the payroll department. I hope I've assisted you with a better understanding of completing your W-4 form. Once again, congratulations on your new job. Please leave me any questions or suggestions below. Press the like and subscription button. Also, click on the notification button for my next video. Thank you for watching and have a splendid day. Bye.